What drew me to how to manage a small law firm was, even though there was a lot of things I was doing that they talk about doing, I've been now provided more structure as to how to do things, how to think about what I'm doing. Whereas before, a lot of things I was doing was kind of more on just autopilot. I've hired 3 people in the last quarter. Without how to manage, I probably would not have hired 3 people in the last quarter. What I was really telling myself was I needed to be involved with all the processes, all the legal work. And with how to manage, I mean, it was kind of driven in, and I saw it. I need to take a step back. I need to look at the overall business where I'm bringing in people who can actually do the legal work, which again is what drove me towards going ahead and hiring 3 people in the last quarter, so that I could now oversee, mentor, manage what's going on. But at the same time, I'm not involved with the day-to-day processes that are involved with actually getting the legal work out. I'm still thinking it through, but I'm thinking it through faster, and I'm going ahead and pulling the trigger sooner. But when I'm doing it now, I do have a plan going forward. Whereas before, as I said, a lot of what I was doing was more kind of on autopilot. Yes, I looked at my numbers, but I was looking at them not correctly. My looking at the numbers really just dealt with me looking at the bank account and seeing where the numbers were. If they looked good, then I was fine. I wasn't doing any type of strategy looking beyond just where I was at that point in time. As any business plan, it's a work in progress. Prior to how to manage, I never had a business plan. Even at my old firm, we never did any long-range planning, strategizing down to the numbers. So I'm still in the process of hashing out, fleshing out the business plan for 2020, but I like what I see so far. I see a clearer picture, a clearer direction on where I'm trying to go, even down to other future hires that I am already considering making in 2022. What I like about how to manage it is truly breaking down and giving you a clear roadmap on how to become a business owner and doing more than just practicing law. I mean, at my old firm, I always used to say there's 2 sides of it. There's the practice of law, and then there's the business of law. And this is really focused on the business law. And that is, to me, paramount for any law firm, regardless of what stage you're in. I mean, this is an ideal program for someone who's just starting out, going solo. But at the same time, to me, it's excellent for someone who's had experience like myself managing law firms in the past. I was probably still a little iffy. Because again, it's an unknown. People don't like change, people don't like unknowns. But I'm willing to always take that step and see where the unknown leads. So, I mean, again, going back to other people, a lot of people are gonna look at this, a lot of attorneys, and say, well, why do I need it? They're gonna look at, what they're doing now. The way I looked at it is I can always give it a shot. If I don't like it, I can always stop. So far, I've been into it now almost 6 months. I like the direction. I like what I'm getting out of the program.